We are back here on Carolina Women, and we're just so happy. We're not sure we're going to talk this segment, or if we're just going to sit here and be.
I love this room.
Isn't this the best? Before you joined us, we actually did a diaphragmatic breathing exercise, took in a deep breath, and then exhaled, and we're all ready to chit-chat about some of the things our friend Amy does here at Holistic Wellness. So thank you.
Thank you for coming. I feel so peaceful and
Me
relaxed.
too.
It is, exactly. You got to sit up here though, because I
I
want to make
know.
sure you can
have such
see
a great
Amy.
space here.
Thank you. I love it
And
in
we
here.
have so much to learn from you.
Exactly.
Where should we even begin?
Yes, talk to us about, give us an
Starting
overview, yes, of some of the things that you do.
Well, let's start with everybody's nervous system and how much it needs to be replenished and restored, recalibrated, rebalanced, right?
Yeah.
We are all sensitive beings. Some may be more sensitive than others, but we are all sensitive beings. And the one thing that seems to be out of balance for everybody, so if you want to find things that are common with those that maybe you never thought you would have something in common with, I can guarantee you that everybody's nervous system needs regulation.
When people come in to see you, what is the typical reason they're coming in? Is it basically they come in like Erin and I and just say, okay, we are here. We want to sort of recenter ourselves. Take us from there.
Okay, well, there's two people that come and see me usually. Ones that are at their wits' end,
Okay.
and they have tried everything that they know that has come to them, and they don't know what else to do. So
Okay.
they're going to reach for natural medicine.
All right.
And unfortunately, that should probably have been their first.
Yeah.
But that's okay, because we're in a society where that's not taught, and it's going to
We're
the
getting
other
there,
side.
yeah,
Right.
exactly.
It has definitely shifted. And then there's those that actually really seek me out because they've had iridology before.
Which
or-
is what? Let me
Yes.
stop you there.
Ooh,
right?
Thank you.
This is a great question.
Yes.
The study of
So iridology is the study of the iris, which is the colored part of the
Oh.
eye.
really.
And it's a tool of analysis.
Okay.
It's non-invasive.
Okay.
And what it does, it reveals constitutional strengths, vulnerabilities, the health of tissues and the organs, glands. It reveals overactivity
Okay.
and underactivity,
All right.
right in the
nutritional
eye.
deficiencies. Yes, so the iris acts like a map to the body.
Is the iris the colored
Unbelievable.
part
The
of the
iris
eye?
is the colored part of
Let
the
me
eye.
see you. Look at her colored parts of her eye.
They're beautiful.
I know.
Now, I always ask permission. People go, and I say I'm an iridologist, and what I do, most of the time they go like this.
Oh.
I go, I am not looking in your iris right now.
Okay.
I mean, I'm looking in your eye when I'm speaking with you.
But I'm not looking for the purpose
But I'm
of
not doing an
diagnosing.
examination.
But you're seeing more than someone's a little tired.
Well, the eyes are, yes, the eyes are the windows to the soul. So
That
I
makes so
always
much
ask
sense.
permission. May I look in your iris? May I take a picture of your iris? Because I do iris photographs.
Okay.
And then I actually put it on my computer screen and I show them, oh, look, you have nerve rings. Those are called contraction furrows. That means that you have a heightened sensitivity to your outer world. You also have an overactive nervous system. Your body uses trace minerals. We need to make sure that you replenish your body with trace minerals.
So there really is a map for what you're doing.
Oh, yes.
and
So
then
there's
when
different-
you do come up with a remedy for someone that's specific to them,
Oh,
what
yes.
does that look like?
It's a personalized self-healing module. That's what I call it. It's very deeply personalized. We come up with, okay, for the first month, for example,
Yeah.
let's start with the basics. Let's just give the body some nutritional support, right? Let's create ceremony and ritual again for yourself. Remember you, because we're all in a hurry.
Yeah.
Make a cup of tea. So I have a herbal tea company, Harmonic Infusions. I make organic herbal blends. I also make personalized herbal blends depending on the needs. I meet everybody where they are and what they're ready for. We start with tea. We start with trace minerals. We start with
Already.
chlorophyll.
Okay.
Chlorophyll. What are the
Oh,
benefits
and
of that?
breathing. Chlorophyll it's almost as if you're getting a blood transfusion. So liquid chlorophyll is the closest thing to
So
our
it's in
hemoglobin.
plants?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, so you
We need to
actually
do-
are.
I
I know.
We've got 2 seconds and we're like, wait a minute, we're just getting into this. Will you come back?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we just got the basics today. We'll be back. We'll be the ones laying here. Feel free to come and see us anytime. Stay with us, more to come on Carolina Women.